One of the biggest opportunities of your life is happening right now, and most people won't even notice. Crypto isn't just digital money. It's a whole new way to think about wealth, freedom, and the future. The earlier you understand it, the further ahead you can get. At first it looks confusing. Coins everywhere, people shouting what to buy or sell, endless opinions online. But once you get the basics, it all starts to make sense, and the opportunities become ridiculously clear. This isn't luck. It's about understanding, strategy, and timing. Pay attention now, and you could be part of the 1% who actually take action instead of just scrolling past. All right, listen. If you're staring at crypto right now thinking, yeah, this looks like free money, but also I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, you're exactly where most people are. Crypto feels massive, too many coins, too many experts, everyone screaming, buy this or crypto is dead. And somehow, people still lose money. So let's fix that without making this feel like a finance class. First things first, what even is crypto? Crypto is basically internet money without a boss. No banks, no governments deciding how much gets printed, just code, math, and a public system that anyone can check. You send money, computers verify it. It's locked in forever. No middleman, no business days, no borders. That's it. That's the base idea. There are only 3 types of crypto. Don't overthink it. Yeah, there are thousands of coins, but almost all of them fall into 3 buckets. One Bitcoin, the don't let my money rot coin Bitcoin, is digital gold. It's here to protect your money from inflation and money printing. 2 DeFi coins, the future of finance stuff, Ethereum, Solana, etc. This is programmable money, contracts, apps, lending, trading, all without banks. 3 stablecoins, boring but useful USDT, USDC. They're just digital dollars, not for investing, just moving money around. That's it. If someone confuses you beyond this, they're probably confused too. Why people are even talking about crypto? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your money is losing value just by existing. Since 2000, the dollar has lost almost half its buying power. In the last few years, it got way worse. Meanwhile, Bitcoin did the opposite. Not because it's magic, but because it's scarce. You can't print more, ever. That's why people are slowly moving away from gold and towards Bitcoin. Gold is heavy, annoying, and controlled by institutions. Bitcoin lives on the internet and can't be touched. Young people see that. Old systems don't. The entire global asset market is worth hundreds of trillions. Bitcoin? A tiny dot on that map. If Bitcoin even grabs a small slice of global value long term, today's prices will look stupid cheap in hindsight. That's why serious people aren't trying to get rich overnight. They're stacking slowly and letting time do the work. Why most people lose money, and you don't have to. People buy when Twitter is hyped. They sell when the market crashes. Then they say crypto is a scam. Real investors do the opposite. They buy when nobody cares. They chill when everyone panics. They sell when everyone is suddenly a crypto expert. It feels wrong, but that's how it works. One concept that literally changes everything: compounding. This part is boring only if you don't understand it. Small money plus time greater than big money plus no patience. Adding a little bit every month beats trying to time the perfect trade. Starting early matters way more than starting big. That's how normal people end up with crazy numbers over time. Crypto words you actually need, nothing extra. Wallet, where your crypto lives private key, don't share this, ever exchange, where you buy, sell market cap, matters more than price altcoin. Anything that's not Bitcoin FOMO, how people lose money, EONODL, holding through chaos. If you get these, you're ahead of 90% of people already. The simple way to build a portfolio, no stress. Most smart setups look like this. Core, mostly Bitcoin, long-term, boring, but powerful risk plays. Smaller coins, higher upside, higher risk. You don't need 50 coins. You need a plan. Look, crypto isn't magic, but it is one of the craziest opportunities we'll see in our lifetime. Most people will scroll past this, keep doing nothing, and miss out. But you're paying attention. Even starting small, with the right moves and patience, you could turn a tiny stack into life-changing money over time. Think of this as your chance to actually be in the 1% who play smart, stack consistently, and ride the wave of the future. It's exciting, it's real, and it's waiting for people who actually take action. And right now, that could totally be you.